Hello Fisher family and rainbow fish friends. Today I'm going to make a project that I was going to make with my rainbow fish friends for the art show anyhow. We are making what is called an acrylic pour. What you need is acrylic paint, Elmer's glue, and water. And you use about 1/3 part Elmer's glue, 1/3 part paint, and 1/3 part water. And you stir your color into your glue. This keeps the colors from mixing together when you pour it onto the canvas. We have a big canvas here today on top of plastic. This is a very messy project and a lot of fun. When you have all your colors mixed up together in the cups, you then very gently pour one color into another color. And you can do 2 or 3 colors per cup. Sometimes even 4 colors per cup. And I sometimes will just put a little extra dribble in there. Then you take your cups over to your canvas. I'm going to take these cups and I'm going to turn them upside down on the canvas, one at a time. Can you get a close-up of this? I'm going to lift it up. And I'm going to tilt my canvas. And I actually might need more paint for this big canvas I have today. Just starts making beautiful patterns all by itself. Alright, I'm going to try my other cup and see how that mixes in. One, two, three, go! I'm going to try to tilt it so it gets all the corners of the canvas. this is something you could do with your preschooler. And depending on what colors you choose, you'll get different kinds of patterns. Oh, we have another one. I didn't remember. All right. So we're going to try this one on this space here. Try to cover the whole canvas if you can. And you get an incredibly interesting modern piece of art. Thank you, Fisher friends. If you have acrylic paints and glue at home, you can do this on a canvas. You can also do this on a piece of old scrap wood. It would work on almost any surface. And thank you very much. This is my first YouTube video ever.